One final stop right here. This is the cohoon plant. This is a nut that you can crack out. Get out of that shell, you have to crack it out. You know, it's a very difficult task to get the nut out. It's in planters, by the way, and it's the white one in there. You can make oil out of it too, cooking oil. But I just stopped and made this video because there's so many birds chirping and going off, doing their little orchestra for the afternoon or the early morning. So I just stopped and was trying to capture the sound.